guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos 2. So be sure to go across there and check it out, give me some support and help me reach that 1,000 subscriber mark over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? So I'm just going to leave this here for a few minutes in order to drain, for some of that water to drain out at the bottom. And then after, I'm going to put it on my parchment lined baking sheet to dry out further in the oven. Alright, so now I'm going to put my chickpeas on this parchment paper here. I'm just going to spread it now. Now at this point in time, I'm not going to season it or anything. I am just drying it out at this point in time. When I'm finished drying it out, then I will bring it back and season it. So let's head over to the oven. Okay, so I've dried out my chickpeas a bit in the oven. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it into my bowl here. Okay, so I'm doing this in order to be able to season it up a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some olive oil to this. Add a little bit of olive oil. Now, you can season this however you like. So you can put cumin powder, you can put coriander powder, you can put chili powder, you can put paprika, whatever you want. You can put garlic powder. You make it your own. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to actually put 1 teaspoon of my green seasoning. I will leave a link in the description as to how I make my green seasoning. I am going to put some sea salt. And I'm also going to put a little bit of garlic powder. So like I said, you could make it your own. If you want it spicy, then you can use obviously chili powder or cayenne pepper. If you want to use cumin or coriander, you can do that. Okay, so now we're going to put this back on our baking sheet and back into the oven. I have the oven now at 375. And we're going to leave this until it gets nice and crunchy. That's hot. Okay guys, so our roasted chickpeas is now completed. If you want it like really crunchy, you can leave it long in the oven. So you just put it to your preference. So let me try one here. This is good enough for me. What you might need to do is you might need to add more salt. as the case may be. So again, you just work to suit your taste.